Hey everyone, Austin here from Currie Motorsport of Frankfort. And right here is one of our last remaining 2022 F-350s. That's right, we have a 2022 F-350, and if you're looking for a great deal on one, let's check this out. So right here we have an XLT 6.7 liter power stroke turbo diesel F-350. You're looking at the crew cab with this huge bed. Now you are going to have that fifth wheel prep package on the inside here. You're going to have the trailer step, but let's get to that in a minute. So kicking it off out here, you do have that F-350 badging on the side, the XLT badging. You have those nice trailer tow mirrors. Looking at the front of the truck here, we do have our camera. You are going to have front cameras, back cameras, cameras all around this truck, your fog lights. The look of these Super Duties I love. I'm a huge fan of Super Duty trucks. As we're coming down the side, these mirrors here, they are fully collapsible. So you can push them out, pull them in, push them out, and push them in that way as well. Down along the bottom, you're going to have this Ford running board running along both of the doors. Now coming around the rear here, you are going to have these nice boxed out tail lights. You are going to have your backup camera, your hitch camera, and as I mentioned, your tailgate step, making it easy to get into the back of this giant bed. You're going to have some plugins over there, your LED box lights, and your box camera over there. Coming back down the side here, you're going to have your DEF and your diesel fill-up areas. Let's take a look here in the back seat. Now underneath this rear back seat, and let's unbuckle these seatbelts, you are going to have a lockable storage container. So the storage container can be folded down, it could stay up, and it is fully lockable, so you can put all of your belongings in there. Now as far as what you have in the back seat, you have your USB plug-ins and your 110 volt and a 12 volt. Now right behind you is a sliding rear window, and up above is your twin panel sunroof. Now as far as getting into the truck, you are going to have your 5-digit code. You can use your key fob, you could use your key, and you have that free Ford Pass app that allows you to unlock, lock, auto start the car from anywhere in the world. So let's take a look on the inside here. On the inside of this truck, you are going to have a lot of nice tech features. Let's start on the side here with these mirrors. So the mirrors are power collapsible, and you can fold them back out. And then they do, as I mentioned, extend out and extend in for all of the nice towing capability. You're going to be able to turn those lights on each side of the mirrors. You do have your auto lights. You could adjust those pedals to make them closer or farther away. As far as jumping up here, you are going to have some different drive modes. So let's zoom in and take a look at those. You're going to have normal, tow haul, eco, slippery, and deep snow sand. Each of those are going to change your four-wheel drive settings, traction control settings, and really make this truck as capable as possible for whatever scenario you are in. As we swing across, you are going to have some buttons on top of your center display cluster. This is going to be your engine brake, so you can turn your engine brake on, make it automatic, or you can just shut it off. Your traction control, your flashers, your hill descent control, lane keeping, and your cameras. Now I mentioned outside you do have 360-degree cameras. You can look at your front, your tri-panel front, your bed, and you can add a camera there. When you're in reverse, it'll just have the 360 with the backup. Now this full digital display cluster, I have a whole video that goes over how to use it. Great technology in there. You'll have Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and all of those fun gadgets. Down below is your manual way of controlling up here if you don't want to use all the touchscreen, and right below that's going to be your heated seats, your air controls, and everything like that. So we scoot over, here's going to be your four-wheel drive. You can go 4 high, 4 low, and we have our backup trailer assist. So if you have a trailer, a boat, whatever on the back, and you can't remember that left is right and right is left, all you do is plug that trailer in, turn this knob left, turn this knob right, and it'll turn the steering wheel the proper direction to get you going where you have to go. Over here we have a 12 volt with a 110 volt plug-in. Down below we are going to have some more USB plug-ins for the front. Now what's nice is you have cup holders that could be turned into 4, or you can keep the 2 and have the nice big storage space there. Right underneath my arm is going to be a nice lockable storage unit. In here, you can have coin trays, money. It's super deep, and you could put a whole bunch of things in here. This is lockable using the key that's currently in the ignition. Now, up in front of the passenger, you are going to have your Super Duty box. Press that button, opens up, and you have a nice little storage right above the glove box. Now, up above the driver's head, you are going to have auxiliary switches. There are going to be 6 pre-wired auxiliary switches that allow you to add lights and whatever accessories you want on the outside. And all you have to do is just wire those things to the pre-wired box under the hood. Up above us, you can see this beautiful twin panel sunroof. So this truck is available here at Currie Motorsport of Frankfort. If you're looking for a great deal on a Super Duty, this is it. This is an XLT, it's a diesel, it's got the FX4 package on it, you have the XLT premium package. There's so many cool options on here with the 360-degree cameras, the heated seats, the power mirrors, the 5th wheel hitch, a whole bunch of cool things on here. So if you're looking for a truck that could do anything you want, this is your truck. Come out to Currie Motorsport of Frankfort and take a look.